Welcome back again. It's your girl Atafa the Press. Well, my people, me here for drop the real news, news, reviews, everything in a one right this or right there, my people. So all I want to know to do is like up the video, share out the video, subscribe to my channel, my people. And if you're new to my channel, welcome. Let's get right into it. I'm back again with another video, my people. Wagwan. I hope you're all doing good and I hope you're all doing great. My people, may I get right into it. Uno need to hear this.
A corrupt government cannot liberate the people. If the head of the stream is corrupt, the entire river will be also.
My viewers and subscribers, Lisa, I've few words to say to the nation. So she started like this. She said, oftentimes there are three types of people in the workplace. The person who does not know what to do, can't get it done, but always has an opinion. That's a number one, Listen more. Number two, the person who knows what needs to be done, but can't do it and has an opinion as to why it is not their fault. And third, this is the third one now. The person who knows what is to be done and gets it done. Person number three is the one that makes things happen, given the same resources or less to deliver. The others are still talking about it with no shortage of discussions, blame, or reasons. So my viewers and subscribers, tell me what you think about this, my people, because I agree with her in every corner. I agree with her, my people. Tell me phone thoughts about this, because a real thing, you have some people we go on like them know and don't know, and you have some people that doesn't take accountability for anything that they have done, like Andrew Holness, I'm one of them. Yeah, everything you get up and say a PNP do, while him a chastise we and a disgrace we in front of the whole world. My viewers and subscribers, tell me what you think. Put on an honest opinion in the comment section. Anyway, hear this. A human skull was found at an entertainment center in Portmore, St. Catherine on Thursday. Reports are that about 9:30 a.m., a laborer was clearing the area in preparation for an event when he stumbled upon the skeletal remains and contacted the police. On the arrival of the lawmen, the skull was seen and removed to the morgue. The Portmore police are seeking the public's assistance with their probe to identify the skull. My viewers and subscribers, when I hear all these things now, can you imagine? Mighty God, crime not stopping, Crime not stopping. Look at them something there. Human skull phone, in a Portmore, St. Catherine. All them something here. If the man never go there so, and I prepare for an event, you wanna find it. Why? Well, when I hear what the police them say. The police then say they're seeking the public assistance. So if you don't know anything, you just contact the nearest police station. You don't know what to do, just do. Boy, this rough. I don't know what is going on, but it's rough. Every day, my people, crime and violence. But you see, crime and violence will never stop unless we unite. And if we don't unite and come together as one, it's not going to stop. And then Andrew Holness now put nothing in place, because all our strong do a sleep. Him not have nothing else to do. Nothing now put in place. You understand? For even slow it down, because guess what? Everywhere they put the SOE, it come like a more crime happen. So it's pointless. Them just a waste time. Tell me one thing still about this. Alright, hear this.
Yeah, man. That represents the right,
My viewers and subscribers, when I say Andrew Holness, Wanna see, anytime you want win election, he always come out a walk in a mud. If he not take off his shoes and walk barefoot, he start a walk all in a rain. Wanna tell me, you see, you think he easy? Him always do stuff like this, my people. Wanna talk God Almighty truth. The last time he take off barefoot a walk in a mud in a bush. The next time he in a rain. See him, you know, he in a mud and rain. I walk in a bush just because he want to vote. All them things that Andrew Holness do, it don't make no sense. It's pointless. Brother, them something the pointless way I do. Because all you say you want is vote. So that's why you come out. Through election are coming out. I want to say Andrew Holness do these things. I want to just check it. If you go back and check, I see him the last general election at that him do. A man go barefoot and walk. I say I couldn't believe. I said this man is serious. My people, I just show you, know. I just show you, say Andrew Holness is not an easy prime minister. He is not an easy prime minister. You understand? And we have been too soft with him. Too soft and get away with too much things. Too much things this man get away with. And still standing. I don't understand. I don't get it. Why? Why? Why is he still standing? Why? He need to step down. He need to resign. And listen, some people keep saying Mark Golden is not doing anything. Listen, come and tell you, this is why I play the video. If you don't watch a video, you know, go back and watch the video when I upload this today with Marlene Malaho. Marlene Malaho said that apparently in a House of Parliament, Jamaica Labour Party have more than 2/3. And to vote for any little thing in the House of Parliament, yeah, you have to be 2/3. So basically, if the whole of Jamaica Labour Party vote, it's like opposition side no have no say. It's just like the time when the Madam Speaker, when everybody vote for the Madam Speaker, one person alone from the opposition side vote, and that was Paul Well. Him vote. If him never vote, maybe Madam Speaker wouldn't be up there so. But then again, Marlene Malaho did say you only need 2/3 of the House to vote. Remember good, you know? You remember good that she said. And she said there's a lot of people in a JLP. So they have only a MP basically. It's like Jamaica Labour Party, them big in there. You get me? So basically they don't need the opposition. So the opposition can't really do much. And we have to go out there and do. And when we do now, we give Mark the strength. We going out there protesting and all these things. We help Mark Golden by protesting and give him strength so he can come forward. Remember, say Mark Golden is not a man of dodgy things, you know. You stay like Andrew Holness. We have to understand that. So we the people have to know what we want. And once we out there now want to protest, we give him strength so he can come. You understand me? My people, we have to think this straight. The Samoa agreement already signed. There's nothing Mark Golden can do. Wanna hear me? There is nothing. We allow nobody to go protest because everybody claims that they never know. You understand? It really gone bad now. Mark Golden can't do nothing. Not a bloody thing. Nothing he can do. So we the people just relax and take it easy. Are we? So really and truly, we allow Andrew Holness, no, and a Mark, we allow Andrew Holness to do as he like and as he please and dictate to we. We allow it. So really and truly, are we for blame? Yeah, because nobody now get up and go. So we can blame Mark Golden. We have to blame ourselves because we have the power and we not go there and use it. I understand lots of times when Andrew Holness come up with ideas, Mark Golden always lick out against it. He always do. And when he lick out against it, he always said he not agree with this and he not agree with that. But Andrew Holness not care. Him still do what him do. Because what? They have 2/3. They get 2/3 of the vote. And 2/3 of the vote cover for them party. You don't understand me. Some people sometimes we just have to read and we have to have wisdom and have understanding. We have to get up and protest, and we keep telling guys say we don't need to go out and protest, but nobody seems to listen. So we just have to take where we get right now. I just say it there. Yeah, I just say it there. Only God alone can intervene in this to how me see it. But my people don't tell me what to think about this.
Your daughter was killed. Your baby mother was killed. And a memorial service a key. And you gonna say not one sign of you.
Talk up the things them something
not
right.
So, Jamaica, me want to say it again. That look good.
Don't look good. Not one bit.
That look good.
So
that look good.
How him have strength for in a parliament, though, and I have strength for God so. People listen.
Hey! All the family now want me, them have to keep her private. Mother have to keep her private. And then nobody from the PMP was there. Palwell no go. Nobody from the PMP no go. Something wrong, man. Something no look right. You don't need no invitation for your picnic memorial. You don't need no invitation for your picnic memorial. Because your next baby mother killed them. Hey! So that is one in the PNP where one baby mother drama kill one next baby mother. Remember them say the baby mother kill the next baby mother and the little picnic. Now Jamaica. Hey! The 11th of November. Who remember that couple here? Joel and Silvera, Melissa Silvera. Who remember that couple here? Only share the live because tonight me go talk some things. Only share the live and the students, you don't know when the students them full up the class, me talk up the things them in. Me I go do part 1 and part 2. Me not do the whole story tonight. Now Jamaica. Joel and Silvera wife. Melissa Silvera. We were told on the 11th of November.
Listen.
We were told on the 11th of November. We were told on the 11th of November that Melissa Silvera died in her sleep.
Yes, me people.
Who remember? We were told that Melissa Silvera died in her sleep, you know. We were told, Jamaica, that Melissa Silvera died in her sleep. Hey! Now, Jamaica, on Friday, a news was broke. News broke. Breaking news.
Hear this.
Who want to hear the breaking news?
Hear ya.
They probe the suspected murder of Melissa. The former member of parliament has hired a well-known King's Counsel as the police intensify the investigation. Who is the King's Counsel? Peter Champagne. It is alleged that Joel and Silvera had a fractious relationship with Melissa. The bedroom, it is also further alleged, the bedroom in which Melissa is believed to have been murdered was renovated, including changing of tiles in the rooms, and is being repainted. The bed where Melissa lost her life was also disposed of. Melissa died, leaving behind 3 young children. What a thing. No? Hey! I'm going to play back the recording. And then students, the teacher will start the
from gunshot wounds.
When did Mr. Silvera come home to find his wife dead? The story not making no sense. The story not making no sense, Jamaica. So you're going to say to me, say, in that nice townhouse apartment, Rhonda or Rona, where your name, both leave it alone. If you don't want the teacher to investigate, you can leave the platform. Leave the platform. If Mr. Silvera was not at home, students, who killed Melissa? The other question must be asked is, when they found Melissa, when he identified Melissa to say she died in her sleep, how comes they did not see the gunshot wounds? How come the police never see the investigating officer that came to the house? How comes they did not see the gunshot wounds? How comes they did not see the gunshot wounds? How comes there was no trace of blood? Where is the blood? Where did she have the shots? Who found her dead? Why after 1 month, it took them 1 month to identify? To 1 month to identify that she never died in her sleep. But it was 3 gunshot wounds. Why did it take 1 month? Is this another sign of death like what happened at Patrick Bailey's house?
My viewers and subscribers, let me start with Paulwell him. So Paulwell not turn up and own baby mother and pitney funeral. But every day this man, he have strength for going to house and parliament. Going to house of parliament. Every single day, not one day him no missing from work. Yeah, all when time them did do the voting thing for Juliet be Madam Speaker, and him are the only one from the opposition side vote. So him have strength for all of these things. So you tell me say, a stress so bad, stress and sick out so bad. Me no know, I'm just saying. A stressing, could it be in stress out so bad making couldn't turn up? I don't know. I'm only saying, my viewers and subscribers, this not look good. This look, this not look good at all. No, so something like this is supposed to turn up. Because remember, remember say Paulwell, they all over the place, Remember say him, they all over the place, my people. He's working. He might go house of parliament. He have strength. He look fine to me. He all stand up and ask questions about the 6 thief them were in there. So how comes he not have strength for this? No, sir. I know someone will say, oh, maybe him stress. Make it stress so bad making can't even turn up. At least turn up. And make we say you stress. And break down and then you can't live. Come on, this not look good at all. And so them something here, don't look good on the PNP side. These people need to resign, you know. Them are people that need to resign. A real thing, because this no look good on the PNP. It paint a bad impression on the PNP. And if they really care about them party like Paul will, he would have stepped down and resign. Them something not look good. Them something not see up the party. Come on, man. I'm just telling you how I feel about this. And then again, when me can't understand with the lady, Melissa, that I don't get it. Because remember, you know, a doctor have to come pronounce a dead, you know. Say, I remember, say, when a doctor pronounce a dead, you know, them have to check you thoroughly. Remember, I'm telling you, I tell you no. When a doctor pronounce somebody dead, them check them. When I say check them from head to toe, then just do a thorough check. If you don't understand what I mean, then just scan the body. See, I tell me, say, they never see them 3 shot there. My people, something or something. This is where corruption come in. Wanna hear me? This is where corruption come in, my people. Them something are not right. And then 1 month later, they find the 3 shots. She was 3. Remember, you know, then come out and say she died in her sleep. And now 1 month later, then come out now and I say 3 shot wound. Boy, me not get it. I agree with Andre. Everything we him say, me agree with Andre Stevens. Yes, because I show him a talk. Me agree with Andre Stevens 150%. Yeah, because this lady I tell me now, a doctor come and pronounce her dead. A doctor have to scan the body. A doctor do a check and just scan your body and check if whatever. Like, that's natural. Are them job for do. So how comes they miss that? My people then take people for fool, but one thing they don't know. Then things that people are idiot. People are not idiot. That is so very unprofessional and so unacceptable. Them something are not right. Them something is not right. But my viewers and subscribers, tell me what you think about this and how you feel about the situation. Put on honest opinion in the comment section for me there. Like up the video, share out the video, my people. Because you know, so when you like and share, you know, it go around in the algorithm so other people can be able to see this video that you have been watching. Alright? And don't keep it to yourself, you know. And just share. And a big warm welcome to my first time viewers. On a big up on yourself. And thanks for stopping by. So my people, wanna just like up the video, share it out and subscribe to my channel. Remember to press the notification bell and click all. So when the video them drop, wanna get them straight away. Bless up on a nice clean self. I'm out.